HCI presentation introduction. Hello, welcome to our presentation on HCI, human-computer interaction. Human-computer interaction deals with a study of how people interact with computers and to what extent computers are or are not developed for successful interaction with human beings. In simple terms, HCI refers to the design and use of computer technology focused on the interfaces between people and computers. The concept of HCI emerged in the early 1980s. It came as a result of improving computer usability, taking out the old command line.
As part of our study in HCI at VVU, we are to critique a website. As Group 5 members, we chose to critique a website called Care Foundation, an NGO in Ghana. Based on our critical observation, the following were observed. The good side.
Okay, we realize that the interface is not that clumsy. That is, you don't have much things embedded into the website. It was quite simple, and also realize that in terms of navigation, it's that easy. So you can just move around the website in order to locate information. Then the images that was used on the website really depicts the information or really depicts the things that the website was made to.
Yeah, actually, when you look at the images that they use for the website, it tells you where they really mean or what they really mean about the website. That is donation to people who are really in aid and the HIV people.
Our presentation basically wants us to look at how best we can improve this website. Even though we've said a lot of good things about it, but we also realize that there were things that could be improved upon to make it a better place to be. Now the following bad side, or put in a better form, these areas can be seen as the bad side of the website. 1. The font size is too small, which makes it not easy to access information. So as you can see on the screen, we are showing it with our cursor, showing that the font size is very small. With this one, if somebody is having an eye problem or impairment, it will be very difficult for the person to read from this website. Then point 2 is that the website does not have audio and video files that will cater for physically challenged people. So a website of this nature, which is an NGO, we talk about a foundation, should have all these things in place so that the people who are going there with eye defect or hearing impairment will be able to also have it easy, taking into consideration user experience.
The background color is static and does not give visitors the chance to change it to suit them.
So basically we are talking about the color of the background. There should be a way where the background will change with time so that when it changes, the user will experience that kind of user experience that we always want to bring to bear with HCI.
Yeah. Also, the users of the site should also be given the opportunity to select the kind of background that they cherish most. But I can see that this one, it has only one background, so users were not taken into consideration.
So in this presentation, we are looking at coming out with a website of similar nature, but we are going to create a different interfaces, a different background where a user will be able to choose between a background that the user find it easy to use with.
And also fix in an audio and video sound that will cater for the physically challenged people.
And then also we also realize that we can even decide to put the audio files in this area. The audio files will be at this area so that we push this ones, the link to down or the bottom of the website. We also saw that these buttons were very difficult. They didn't link the button itself. but you need to come to this side to be able to see that it is a link. But what we are proposing is that the whole of this area should be made to be a link, so that when we click on it, it will take us straight to the donation button, the support button, and then the general donation area.
Okay, as group members, we have Mr. Ankuma Kingsford, Mr. Edu Ebenezanana Kobina, we have Mr. Amponsa Festus, Mr. Odonko Ransford, Mr. Ali Abdul Aziz, Mr. Opoku Isaac Jr., Mr. Opoku Isaac Sr., Ohime Bismarck, Mr. Goleku Tete, Mr. Agbenyo Samuel, and Mr. Adipa Emmanuel.
So these are the group members who presented on the HCI project. Thank you very much.